Alright, I'm just unboxing the Bostitch compressor and nail gun set. So you get two nail guns and a staple gun plus the compressor. And this was bought from on Amazon for a total of $232 or something like that, roughly. With tax included, I should say. All right. So this is the hose. So it looks inside. Manual. Cool. And it's a 6-gallon compressor. Has some nice weight to it. Oh gosh. Okay, these are staples. This is a staple gun. Nope, this is the staple gun. This is definitely a nail gun. Alright, so that's one gun. Oh, these are actually nails. I was fooled because they didn't have tips. These are actually nails. This is a staple gun. Oh, okay. Pow, 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 pow. This actually feels decent in the hand, and this one has a nice grip, like a rubber grip. Right. Feels good. And let me tell you, I went to Home Depot looking for a compressor, right? And nail gun. And the compressor was like almost $200, and one single nail gun was $199, so $200. So to get just a nail gun and a compressor would be about $400. And I haven't even added tax in it yet. And then I went on Amazon and I saw this package, and it has like more than a 4.5 star rating. So I was like, yeah, this is definitely worth a try. But this is just the unboxing. I can't confirm the reviews yet, but I'm still happy about the deal. I mean, it's not even $250. Less than $250 and you get everything. You get 3 guns. You get the staple gun. You get 1 large nail gun. And you get the small nail gun. Small and nail. And the handy dandy compressor. So guys, that's it. Let me go over everything. Your hose, your compressor, your manual, your staple gun, and everything. Your staple gun, your nail gun. No, this is sorry. Your nail gun, your large nail gun, your medium sized nail gun. Yeah, it's not going to work. I was trying to hook this on, but it's not going to work. Let me see. Ah, there we go. And your staple gun. You get some nails in the package. You get staples in the package, which I already loaded in. The staple gun. You also get these small nails. And I guess this is to go in this, but this is super small. Whatever, you get these. I have no idea what these are used for. But yeah, that's what you get in this Bostitch package. Compressor and nail gun package. Bostitch. A little focusing on that. Yeah, Bostitch. Yeah. If anyone has tried this, you can leave a comment and let me know how it worked for you. Leave a like, drop a comment. Thank you.